Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenPad 10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner at the bottom, and it opens as the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on this settings bar and let's go to this icon. Here we have other settings, and as you can see here at the second place we have the grid lines. So these are the grid lines of this camera. When we tap on this we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. And also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. These are only lines to help us taking better photos. For example, we can use this to use the rule of third in photography and making experiments with composition. So when I take a photo and go here to the right corner to the gallery, we can see them. And of course, when we don't need it, we can easily go back to the camera, go back to the settings at the left corner here and tap on this. So for now they are gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.